Yesterday the gold did not reach the target I have mentioned, that means 4188.33, but the price has created a indecision candle yesterday. After the day before, the price formed a bullish breakout, which I have mentioned yesterday, that this is the start of the process of the rising in value. That means a bullish breakout. The price yesterday tried to move higher. We can see that this week on the upper side, but the price returned back down, testing the previous resistance 4105.86. Now it is acting as a support, and the price has reversed, and we can see the price is bouncing from this area of support and made an indecision candle, and currently the price is rising in value. So this is just confirmation of this bullish breakout, which means the price will reach higher price levels, and we can see that the next resistance level will be 4188.33. Yesterday I have mentioned this bullish breakout inside the premium analysis, but I have also checked this information with the traders inside the chat room. I have opened a chat room. If you would like to join, feel free to check the link in the comments. So you can also join if you would like to discuss these details, these updates I am making during the day on several symbols, including this gold. So feel free to check and join other traders. The chat room is meant to share a place where you can talk with other traders about the trading ideas, about strategy, the risk management, and anything else relating to trading. So it is a close group, which is also a paid group to avoid spammers making issues inside the chat room. So feel free to check and join other traders to receive these updates. So for now, what I can see, the price is rising in value and reaching higher price levels, so the target still remains the same. The next resistance level 4188.33. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see the price has formed yesterday, 2 days ago, a bullish breakout. We can see that here. Yesterday returned back down. Now it has made another bullish breakout. We can see that above 4145.86. This is the resistance level that the price could not make a bullish breakout yesterday, clean one, but this one is a pretty strong one, which is indication of the further rise in value. So I'm expecting the price will rise in value, reaching higher price levels, especially 4188.33. Whenever the price has formed this bullish breakout here above this area of resistance, we can see the price has gone all the way to here around 4206. So this is the first target I'm expecting, but I am also expecting that the price will reach this area of resistance. We can see that when the price was moving in this bullish move, the price has reached this area, which means 4235.13. So I'm expecting that the price will reach the area before that. This is the supply zone, so I'm expecting to get out from the trade before the price reaches this area of supply zone, just to be sure that the price comes here and close the trade as a profit. So this is the idea for now. I'm still open to see gold on higher price levels, and I will share the details inside the chat room with the traders, so feel free to join other traders to discuss this if you would like to have a place where you can share the ideas or just read what others have to say, and also follow others if they open the trade, in which direction, and also to talk about the strategy. That's all for today. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.